The D'Antonio D29 from Spain is either sporty or family-friendly, but always an eye-catcher. The powerful design boat offers overnighters comfort thanks to a real cabin, and is very seaworthy. The Four Winds H9 is lively and fast, responds perfectly and offers sporty water fun for the US-American style. Well equipped, it is ideal for a trip with friends. The Nordkapp Enduro 830 from Norway belongs in the premier class of fast day boats. Confident and safe, the powerful Enduro achieves top marks, even in rough conditions, putting a smile on the face of every boat tester. The Sea Ray SDX 270 Surf is the US shipyard's first wake surf boat built in Europe. It is meant, though, for universal use, equipped with everything needed for a day on the water. The open-top Wellcraft 38 T-top comes with a comfortable cockpit and excellent nautical characteristic. The triple motorization certainly contributes to this, offering fantastic driving pleasure.